Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2014 Jeep Patriot and I will show you which fuse to check in case your rear wiper is not working. This video will apply to Jeep Patriots made from 2007 all the way up to 2017. Okay, so the fuse you want to check will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood, very easy accessible, right here on the driver's side. To remove the cover, you will have two black tabs. You want to press them and lift up. On the back side of the cover, you will also have a small fuse diagram. Fuse number 16, it's a 15 amp blue fuse responsible for power to rear wiper motor. Now, if this fuse proves to be good and your rear wiper is still not working, the next thing to check would be the rear wiper motor or a possible wiring issue. But first things first, always make sure that this fuse is good, because you don't want to take everything apart in the back and then in the end figure out that the problem was in the fuse. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.